Hi, good morning, everyone. We are now heading to Brooklyn Bridge from Manhattan at Times Square. See you in the subway. Hi again. So we have now started our journey to Brooklyn Bridge. We are checking Uber to check, yeah, to check the subway route. Now let's go to the subway. We are now entering the subway. So it's as simple as just tap and go. She's coming inside the subway right now. We are at the Washington Square station right now, waiting for the subway. We are navigating by using the public transit from the Uber application. Hello, we have now reached the high street. Hello, we have now reached the Brooklyn Bridge.
But this is not Brooklyn Bridge. Also,
Hello everyone, we are now at Brooklyn Bridge. You can also see the World Trade Center from here.